Before you touch a single piece of tech, before Canva, logos, or funnels, ask yourself these two questions. Who do I want to help? And what can I offer that would make their life easier, better, or more hopeful? You see, your business doesn't start with tech. It starts with clarity. And that's exactly what we're talking about today in this video. Hi, I'm Lorna. And when I first started, I did what most beginners do. I Googled. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I picked brand colors. I even made a logo. I felt busy, but really, I wasn't building anything real because I didn't know the steps required to build an online business. I didn't even know how anybody made a single dollar online. For many of us over 50, we bring a lifetime of experience to the table, but we undervalue it. We second guess ourselves. We wonder if it's too late. And we hide behind tasks that looks productive, but they don't move the business forward. If that's you, take a breath and let's start fresh. There are a few questions you have to ask yourself. So grab your pen and let's go. Now you can answer these questions aloud or on paper. There's no perfect way to do it, just the truth. And you can pause this video if you need to. So, question one. What advice do people already come to you for? Think of your family, with friends and coworkers. What do they ask you to help them with? Question two. What problems have you solved for yourself that others are still struggling with? Could be health, career, caregiving, budgeting, confidence with tech. Your solved problems are your authority. Question three. Who are you naturally drawn to help? Who would feel seen by you? Picture a real person, the age, the stage of life, their circumstances. Who do you understand deeply? Question four. What problem are you actually helping them solve? Be specific. Keep it simple. The who plus the offer, that becomes your North Star. My turning point came after I retired. I decided to start an online business selling digital products. I thought once I learned the tech, I'll be fine. But after weeks of new apps, endless login, guess what? I was still stuck. One morning, I opened my journal and I literally wrote this. Why am I really stuck? And after sitting with that question for a while, it clicked. It wasn't the tech, because I knew I could learn that. I just hadn't decided who I am helping or what I am offering. So I asked another question. Who do I understand that I really could help? Who would feel seen by me? The answer was clear. Women like me. Women ready for a new chapter in their lives. Women feeling overwhelmed by the online noise and wanting a simple step by step path. Naming that gave me instant clarity. I found my who and my offer. Once I had that who and the offer, the next step finally made sense. That's when I found a business model that made everything clear. It was beginner friendly and it was a digital marketing course. I could learn from it and it gave me the rights to resell it. It wasn't just training. It was a simple business I could start right away. It felt like a business in a box. I learned, I implemented, and I earned at the same time. Most importantly, it gave me the clarity that I wanted and momentum without me drowning in complicated systems and feeling overwhelmed. So before you open Canva, buy another tool, take another course, get clear on who you help and what you offer. That clarity becomes your filter for everything. It influences what you post, what you sell, and believe me, what you can ignore. Now that you're clear on who you serve and what you offer, the next step is simple. Package your offer, then set up the essentials so you can launch. Now, if you want real support without the fluff or the overwhelm, I'll link the exact course I use below. It has helped me. It has helped me go from confused to clear on the exact step that is needed to move my online business forward. And it will do the same for you. Remember, this is your time. So take the next step and go after your dreams. I'm Lorna, and I'm here to help you build something beautiful.